Make a great choice today with the 2017 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, LED headlights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.